Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're taking a look at watch straps for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Specifically, we're looking at this watch band from UAG. This is the Scout watch band. It's a great watch band for those of you who like to work out, but still want something that's going to look great even if you're dressed up. So let's go and check it out. Now this watch strap is compatible with any Samsung watch that can support a 22mm watch strap. So the lug size, which is this size right here, is going to be compatible with that. I happen to have the black version here, so this is going to look really nice because it has also the buckles are black. Now for those of you who are curious about the overall features, first of all, you have a stainless steel custom hardware, antimicrobial soft touch silicone as well. And as we open this up, you'll kind of see what's going on here. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and you can see really nice watch strap, right? And again, silicone, really nice to the touch. And it has the quick release lugs right here, these quick release latch, which is going to make it really easy to change. Black, which means it's going to go nicely with my watch. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. Now switching the watch straps is really simple. All you have to do for your Samsung Galaxy Watch is remove or push this little pin down, and you just take off the previous watch strap. In this case, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one in place so you can show you how it works. And then I'm going to pull this back, and then this is going to go in nicely just like that, and then it locks into place. That's all there is to it. This is what it would look like on your watch. Again, really sharp. And the nice thing about having the silicone is, again, you don't have to worry about if it's leather material and you start sweating as you go on a run or any kind of workout. I had a run this morning, and I prefer silicone or hybrid watch bands so that I can use the same watch band and not have to switch it out. I'm going to go ahead and put this on so you can see what it looks like. Put it in place. The actual band tucks underneath really nicely, so you don't have anything coming out right there. And then this is what it looks like, right? So really sharp. Check that out. That watch face, and we'll turn it over. Really nice looking. Right? Even has the logo there, but it's really light. And that's what the buckle looks like right there. Super sharp. So guys, that wraps up our review of the UAG watch strap for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, or any watch that can support a 22mm watch strap.